Verify MC.
In this video, we're going to show you how to add a physician user. From the sidebar menu, we're going to click on Users, and then we're going to click Physicians. In the top right side, you're going to see Add. Go ahead and click Add. On the Add Physician User page, the first thing you're going to see is the type. So for this physician, we're going to choose either full-time or part-time, and I'll choose full-time. Next, we'll see the area to enter in their first name, last name, middle name, and a suffix. Below that, you'll see the username and the email. Enter those, and if they do want a different email to be notified, enter that in the notification emails section here. Next, we'll add the phone number for the physician, and if they want to receive SMS alerts, we'd enter that phone number here as well. The medical license is inputted here and is required, and optionally you put in an NPI number and also the county. In the next section, it's the office address. If they do not have an office, it is not required to add that, but you do need to input a time zone where the physician is located for this account. The next section, you'll see a signature. It's recommended that you upload a signature on a real piece of paper. It will look best. If you do not have that, you can let the physician log into their account later and tell them to draw their signature. And you can also type the signature. For this sample, we're going to just type the signature of the physician. Next, we'll see the password area. We need to set up a password for this physician, which they'll be able to reset on their first login later. But to create an account, we just create a password. And the easiest thing to do is hit generate password here, which you'll see that generates a password, and we're all done there. In this section is the user capabilities. So this gives the physician access and not access to different areas of the software. So if we want to turn anything off, maybe they do not need to see their billing or their widgets and things like that, we can just hit the top button there, the checkbox. That'll turn on and off the whole section. We can still actually go back in and add individual ones here. At the very top, you'll see a toggle all on and off, which you can also do here, which will show you how it works. Then after you set their roles and capabilities, we'll move down to the next section, which has the physician files. So any paperwork for that physician or documentation of their licenses, you'd add that here. You could just click that to upload those, and it puts that in their profile. And at the very bottom, we're going to see the option to send that login and password to that new user physician. We just hit yes, and we can go ahead and email in this sample, and we're going to go ahead and save. As you can see, we get a little success message here with their unique ID that we've created that physician, and we'll see their profile here under users here in the physicians tab. So now that we have this physician user, we can actually go into the options, and if we do need to resend the login, we can click that link there. We can log in as the physician, so if we need to configure their account for them, we can go ahead and click there. If we need to edit any of their profile, we can click on the edit, and if we're going to remove this physician, we'll click delete. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add a physician, and you can go in and again edit it as needed, and that's it.